Hi, welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications to stay updated to my latest videos. Now, these are the kind of videos I post on my channel. Top altcoins to watch out for in 2025. How to find trending tokens. How to reset everything you need to know about how to, and everything you should know about how to. Now today I'm going to show you how to create a group on Telegram. The difference between a group and a channel, how to create a group. Now this is you click on this place, you see what they said, new group. Now we are just going to create a test group now and check it. Meme coin hub. Now for the group, now everybody, the difference between a group and the channel is that in a group everybody can talk in the group. So I'm just going to add a random bot. I'm going to add a random bot as a member. I'm going to add a random bot as a member to be able to create the group. So this is my group, Meme Coin Hub. Everybody in this group can say anything they want to say on the group. So this is the group I have, Meme Coin Hub. This is easy peasy, simple steps on how to create a Telegram group. If this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos so that you can be able to see more of these videos.